Welcome to Your Health Moment. I am Dr. Fitness, and we're going to discuss very exciting wellness topics. And if you're wondering, hey, what's exciting about wellness? Well, if you have belly fat, if you have headaches, if you have trouble sleeping, if you have joint pain, then we're going to have exciting topics for you, because the topics we're going to discuss are topics that are going to help you to reduce those challenges. Okay? So if that's exciting to you, it's definitely exciting for me. I've been helping people to take control of their health and wellness for over 25 years. And during that time, I've learned a lot from clients and clinic patients. You know, I started as a personal trainer and I loved every minute of it. You know, I learned a lot from it. I learned a lot from people. And every day there was a new and more powerful lesson for me to learn. From weight training with visually impaired people to preparing 70-year-old walkers to complete a marathon for breast cancer. The whole purpose of Your Health Moment is to share that information with you, as well as help you to determine, and together with you, determine where you are on your health continuum. And the goal is to encourage you to try new things, to improve your health and to improve your happiness. 7 years ago, I discovered the 5 areas of focus to help virtually anyone improve their health and decrease the unhealthy belly fat that they have, as well as reduce medications that they may be on. And it was a huge aha moment for me. I began to share the new program with several friends, trusted friends as well as trusted clients. Now, their outcomes were incredible. My big break came when I was given the opportunity to provide exercise and nutrition support to millions of listeners on iHeartRadio stations and streaming service, helping millions of people who are struggling with obesity and common ailments connected with having a sedentary lifestyle has been my life's purpose. And achieving success in my wellness practice and on the radio was just icing on the cake. So my goal is to share the 5 areas of focus with you. Now, when I look back over the last 20 years, I now understand why some patients and clients were successful and others weren't. I decided, I could help more people achieve improved health and wellness results by helping them properly use the 5 areas of focus. The level of success that patients and clients have when they embrace the 5 levels of the 5 areas of focus is incredible. The level of success is phenomenal because it's the key that unlocks the door to mastering your own health and wellness. After 25 years, the dramatic transformations continue to amaze me. From reducing belly fat to reducing medications for diabetes and high blood pressure. And if you're wondering what the 5 areas of focus are, the first one is hydration. The second one is nutrition. The third one is exercise. The fourth one is sleep. And the fifth one is stress reduction. Think of them as the 4 tires on your car and a spare that you have in the trunk, okay? If all 4 tires are flat, you realize you are going nowhere, okay? Nowhere fast. If you got 3 down, 3 flat tires, you still realize you're going nowhere. Down to 2, you're still not going anywhere far. But if you have 1 flat and 1 and then you have a spare, okay, then you can still continue to travel. So the really great thing about understanding the 5 areas of focus, if you have 3 of those flat, you're going nowhere. 4 of those flat, you're going nowhere. So it's really important to understand what those tires are and how they impact you and your life and your ability to do what you need to do. You know, the 5 areas of focus will have a huge impact on your ability to lose dangerous belly fat and to reduce the risk of serious health challenges. And on our next podcast, we're going to start on number 1 on those 5 areas of focus. It's going to be hydration. A large percentage of us suffer from dehydration. And if you haven't noticed that when people go to the hospital, one of the first things that they do is get IV hydration. And if you're curious about why, then you don't want to miss our next podcast. Thank you for listening to Your Health Moment. And I am Dr. Fitness.